So my name is Samuel Alexander, and I own and operate a business called Ignite Flavours. We are one of the exciting agro-processors on the island, and we offer quite a interesting lineup of sauces. So we have tamarind sauce, which is kind of the iconic sauce. People really love it, they gravitate to it, and we've been seeing good reception from that. And then we also recently introduced our mango sauce, and we've been getting quite good reception from it. As for the journey of Ignite Flavors, we have been on quite an interesting journey. We started during the pandemic, and during the pandemic, we wanted to take a closer look at what Grenada had to offer in terms of fruits, vegetables. We saw a lot of potential in those things, but they were largely untapped. So we wanted to use some of the abundant fruits and vegetables around. Well, tamarind is very abundant on the island, as well as mango. We wanted to harness the potential of those things and create quality products. So while we might not have a large selection, we put that effort into offering quality products, and we build on that platform of quality, right? So I enjoy cooking by nature. I enjoy entertaining, and my passion for entertaining and seeing people enjoy the experience of food led to experimentation with different sauces. I wanted to give my family the experience of, trying tamarind sauce, trying something new. And I worked on developing it, getting customer feedback over time, fine-tuning the recipes to ensure that, people, like, it would apply to a large range, cross-section of people. And over time, that developed into what we have as Ignite Flavors tamarind sauce and Ignite Flavors mango. In get those raw materials early and secure them so that you can sustain year-round production. As our customer base grows, it becomes more difficult, but we are up for the challenge because we want to put Grenada on the map. We want to also export. So we're up for the challenge in terms of getting raw materials. So I'll take this opportunity to urge local farmers, persons that have trees in their backyard, reach out to us, let us know like the projects you have on offer, and we'll definitely support. So that has been an experience in and of itself. It taught me a lot in terms of business, negotiation, how to get organized. This session in particular on quality and documentation, quality assurance and documentation. It was really helpful because in my business, I strive on producing quality. And that is reflected in the taste, it's reflected in the packaging. But it also has to be reflected in documentation. It also has to be reflected in the process of making my product. And all throughout the process of business, whatever it might be. And that is one thing that has encouraged me. I want to offer quality from start to finish. And it makes things easier as we grow, as we try to serve a larger customer base. Having that quality, knowing that our customers are safe from what we produce, and they can taste the quality, not only in the safety, but quality in the experience of the food, smell, the taste, how it looks. Everything must be reflective of a quality product. So that's one thing that has gotten me excited about the process. And I'm encouraging other agro-processors out there. See this as a way to help you seamlessly grow, but also as a marketing tool that you can someday put a badge of certification related to quality on your product, and people can know for sure that you're offering and you follow good procedure and they're actually getting something of quality. So there's multiple ways to look at it, but I'm encouraging other people involved in the sector to take advantage of platforms like this. Most of the major supermarkets island-wide have them. So all of the Calicos, all of the Andals, IG, Food Fair Granance, Shop and Save, Food Fair, well, I mentioned Food Fair Granance, but most of those supermarkets have them. Some supermarkets, we're trying to get them on board, and we encourage them to come on board, and we encourage the public also to support us on this endeavor. We definitely put in the quality, and we want you to be part of that experience as well too. So look for our products. It's easy to identify. So go ahead and try them and have that experience. So you can find us on Facebook, Ignite Flavours on Facebook, or at Ignite Flavours on Instagram. We have a growing community, and we want you to be part of that community as well.